A rude awakening literally for media, players, and fans at the Super Bowl here in Arlington, Texas. The temperature about 20 degrees. Mix that with 30-mile-per-hour winds, rain, and a little bit of snow, and you have an ugly day. Certainly not the Chamber of Commerce weather the Super Bowl host committee had been hoping for. All across North Texas Tuesday morning, thick 2-inch sheets of ice covered everything. Cars, trees, grass, and of course the roads. This video was shot just a couple of miles from Cowboys Stadium on Highway 360 in Grand Prairie. There were hundreds of accidents Tuesday morning, many roads were closed, and school was canceled. The teams arrived Monday at DFW Airport, and that's a good thing because Tuesday morning the airport was in a full ground stoppage, essentially closed, right before what promises to be one of the busiest weeks in its history.
We'll try to get as many people as we possibly can through the airport, even in spite of the weather.
And this is what Cowboys Stadium, home of Super Bowl 45, looked like, the rooftop covered in blowing snow. While it should warm up over the next few days, it's only going to warm up a little. We're expecting 84 consecutive hours below freezing. However, this weekend, things are looking better for the game. The best day of the week should be Super Bowl Sunday with a high in the 50s. Rich Matthews, The Associated Press, Arlington, Texas.